Good morning. It's 14 degrees currently, and we have a no heating call. Shocking. So I actually power cycled the unit downstairs first at the breaker because I wanted it to start its process by the time I got up here. And what I've heard is the blower motor started, my induction fan started, and everything for the heat system fired off, but I got no heat, which means we're not getting ignition. It's so cold here that what I've seen in the past is that there's a little bit of moisture in the regulator and it froze, and that can keep that bladder from moving. So I'm gonna open it up and check everything else quick, and we'll pull some gas pressures and see. All right, so I've got that turned off. I broke this loose at the union. I'm gonna open this valve. I have some gas, not much. All right, let's reconnect. Quite often you can do this and blow it out and then reconnect and get ignition. I turned that back on and immediately I heard ignition. So it's not a mechanical problem in the system. It's a problem here. I've experienced this once before last year when it got stupid cold like this. What I may do is actually insulate all this up to here just to try to give it a little bit of the unit heat. Yeah. Now we got heat. No tool bag required, just a big pair of vice grips. Boom, baby. Third no heat call of the morning, because we started at 14 and now we're down to 11. You can see this unit's rolling, this unit's rolling. This unit is servicing an office. We got nothing. I'm gonna open up the panel and check the error codes and stuff first before I power cycle. This is brutal. Cannot describe. Like, I have to make a windbreak and hide behind it. Okay, so when I'm fired up, I've got 24 volts at my red. I've got 24 volts from white to common, which is my heat. So we're calling for heating. I come down here to the inducer motor, which is step one of heating, and I got nothing. So now I got to chase the schematic back of what is interrupting the power and energizing the inducer motor, because there's where our likely fault is. No heat call number 4 of this 14-degree day. Blower motor's running, big beastly carrier here. Let's check our furnace light. Let's count the flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so 5 flashes, ignition, lockout, fault. It didn't ignite. So all over town, this isn't my handiwork, this is the owner. This location is not near my other location, so I was trying to help him remotely. When it wouldn't light, I wondered if the gas was restricted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fire that off. That's gonna reset the system. Okay. Now, we'll see what happens. Heater should start. Inducer fan, oh, I hear it trying to fire. I got inducer motor. I don't hear the fire yet, but I feel like. All right, so we may have to open up the furnace side, see what's cracking in here, see if we can see the igniter. It's trying again, I can hear it. Stand by. All right, I cracked the union and tested it, and I had gas. My induction motor starts. My igniter is trying, which tells me my circuit's good coming through. We're just not getting, either we're not getting voltage to the gas valve, or the valve's not opening, or we don't have enough gas pressure, period.